Okay, hello guys, it's George. Welcome back to a brand new video. Please make sure you are subscribe, like, and comment, please. So, today I got this, this two things, this, wait, this, let's see, better, that. So you can see it's a part of a lightsaber. So I'm gonna show you how to put a lightsaber back together. I got this at Disney. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, first you're gonna take the blade and this thing and put it on. Just slide it back on. And you got this. It's gonna look like that. Then you got this part. So you're gonna see that little thing and a hole here. So I'm gonna turn it. Here. Turn it. To it gate. Wait. I'm gonna quickly do something. I think I did it wrong. No, I did. So then you must hear a click. Then that must be in. Then we got this laser thing. Then we're gonna just slide it back in there. Okay, so that's how you build a lightsaber from Disney. So yeah, that's what it looks. That's how it looks. See? And I'm gonna do that. Put that back on. Then I will make it some shorter. And then yeah. Thank you guys for watching my videos. And yeah, I just want to say thank you. And thank you for watching my videos and thank you. Peace out. Bye. Bye.